Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why are thief ants dangerous. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Thief ants are dangerous because they contaminate food, spread foodborne pathogens, protect agriculture pests, and are responsible for harm to poultry. They are aggressive but rarely bite. You can get rid of them by making greasy baits and borax baits, packing the food properly and sealing entry points and fixing leakages. There is a lesser risk of deadly or poisonous stings from these tiny creatures, but you have to be careful of them from contamination aspects. They are considered dangerous inside due to contamination risk associated with their tiny bodies and ability to bite humans. Thief ants possess a stinger to sting the prey animals and inject the venom, but it is small enough to cause severe allergic reactions as only a small amount of venom can be injected. Thief ants build mutual relationship with agriculture pests like aphids and help them grow rapidly as these insects protect aphids from predators and get honeydew from them. Commonly, cotton root aphids, corn root aphids, and some other species, including Apis ceteri and Apis middletoni, are the mutualistic species of these ants. In addition, some scale insects like Dactylopius also live in close association with grease ants and are responsible for damage to prickly pear crops. They navigate dirty places like trash bins and reach bathroom floors and sinks in search of moisture, so they carry a lot of germs on their bodies. Accordingly, they can cause contamination of food pantries after getting introduced to the food containers when they are not correctly packaged. So it is considered dangerous for health concerns as humans can get ill after eating contaminated food items. Thief ants have bigger polygynous colonies growing rapidly because multiple queens lay eggs. It is pretty dangerous and challenging to deal with such bigger colonies having ability to bite. They do not bite often but can become aggressive when you cause disturbance in their mounts or kill their fellows. It feels like an irritation on the affected area that can also lead to swelling. You cannot use homemade repelling solutions to get rid of their massive colonies and need an insecticidal spray to control their populations. It is considered to be one of the significant pathogens responsible for the spread of the foodborne pathogens and included in the list of dirty 22 pathogens. They are omnivores and eat a variety of food items from meat, grease, dairy products, and breads and sweet food items. They have many options to get nutrients and cause contamination, so you have to protect your food from grease ants as they can possibly infest the food products in your kitchen cabinets, cupboards, or pantries and cause foodborne illness. You can get rid of thief ants by cutting off their food source indoors and preparing toxic baits for these tiny insects that can attract them and cause toxicity after consumption. Thief ants get attracted to greasy food items, so you can use oily material to kill them. A wax paper or sticky tape can become the substrate that can restrict their movement. It is difficult for these tiny ants to walk on a slippery surface, and their feet get stuck to sticky surfaces. They cannot move until the surface's stickiness reduces, ultimately leading to death. Accordingly, take wax paper, put oil on it, and keep it close to the infestation. It can grab the attention of insects when they detect a food source. The number of oil drops and the size of the wax paper can be increased according to the colony size. You can burn all of them when maximum ants are drawn to the wax paper. Thief ants are small insects and sneak through small spaces in the walls and cabinets. These insects manage to make their way indoors if they have found a source of water and food inside the building because their smaller size favors them. The presence of moisture around sinks, wet floors, leaky valves, or faucets can draw them inside the kitchen and bathroom, so you need to fix all water leakages and keep surfaces dry. It is better to pack the food properly if you want to store it for later use because these ants can make their way to the pantries and get inside the packaging by chewing. Moreover, they can chew soft plastic packaging material and reach sweet or greasy food items to fulfill their body requirements. You can keep them stored in hard plastic, metal, or ceramic containers as their small mandibles cannot chew through these hard materials. Thanks for watching the video.